In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. If Marketplace isn't appearing, won't load results, or search feels broken, don't worry. We'll walk through clear practical fixes from the quickest checks to slightly deeper troubleshooting so you can get back to browsing and listing as soon as possible. Start with the simplest refresh. If you're on a browser, reload the page. If you're in the app, fully close Facebook and open it again. A quick sign out and sign back in can also reset stuck sessions and bring Marketplace back into view. Next, confirm your internet is solid. Slow or unstable connections can stop Marketplace content from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router to refresh the connection and then test Marketplace again. If the problem persists, clear temporary data. On a browser, go to Settings, open Privacy, and clear browsing data for cache and cookies. This can remove corrupted files that block pages from rendering correctly. Keep in mind that clearing cookies signs you out of sites. On mobile, clear the Facebook app cache on Android and on iPhone. Reinstall the app to refresh its data. Your account and posts are safe. You're just clearing local files. Make sure your app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest Facebook update. New versions often fix bugs that affect Marketplace and search. Because Marketplace relies on your location, double-check location settings. Turn on location services at the device level and ensure Facebook has permission to access your location. In Marketplace, set the correct city or area. If you're using a VPN, turn it off, as it can place you in the wrong region and hide listings or Marketplace entirely. Before assuming it's broken, try adjusting your search terms. Use broader keywords or different variations. For example, instead of iPhone 11, try iPhone or Apple phone to pull in more results and confirm search is functioning. On a computer, temporarily disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, then reload Marketplace. Some extensions interfere with scripts. Facebook needs to display content. Check whether your account has any restrictions. In Facebook, open menu, go to Help and Support, and review your support inbox or account status. If there's a policy issue or temporary limit, Marketplace access may be reduced until it's resolved. If none of that helps, try a different device or browser. If it works elsewhere, the issue is with your original device or app. If it fails everywhere, it's likely account specific or a broader Facebook problem. In that case, wait 24 to 48 hours and try again, as platform-side bugs do get fixed.